Hello friends, today I wanted to share something that I've been working on behind the scenes that I'm really excited about. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I love going to the Florida State Parks and taking along my little passport book so I can get it stamped. So I have created something really exciting for my community, and here it is. It's the Sunshine Stitch Society and my little Storybook Stitches passport. So you can join the Sunshine Stitch Society at the link in the description below and in the pinned comments. You've been watching me embroider on one of the first badges that's in the free digital gift that comes when you're a part of my Sunshine Stitch Society mailing list. And now I've added an extra bonus goodie, and that is the Storybook Stitches Society passport book. And this you can only receive if you make a purchase of a slow stitch kit in my shop. And so any current members, any orders going forward, you will receive your little passport booklet. And then it has all the instructions inside, like I showed you on the back page, how to use it. If you're new, then just scan this QR code. When you get your order, you'll have the passport book in there. And it takes you to the, you have to have a scanner, QR code scanner on your phone, takes you to the sign up page, and then you just fill it in and you'll get your first month's packet and you'll be ready to go. So this is my little Florida State Park passport book, and I absolutely love getting the parks that we visited their little state park stamp. So there will be a sticker sheet that comes with the passport that you can also cut out, and there'll be instructions on that, how to put them in your little passport, and then as well as the monthly badge packets. Then you can also, as you complete the activities in that month's packet, it goes in your little Sunshine Stitch passport book. So again, here's your invitation to join. Here's a preview also of one of the first projects that's in the first month's packet. And then again, the little passport book. And yes, when you place an order, it will come assembled just like this. I print the pages, I stitch them together on my machine, and then it's ready to go and for you to use it. So that's just an added little extra bonus that I do as well. But when you sign up for the Sunshine Stitch Society, your monthly packet, you have to print it out yourself at home, which is easy to do. And then you can enjoy each of the fun activities that comes in that month's packet. So we started in May. There's been a June packet. So when you sign up, you'll get May. If you sign up in June, you'll also get June. But if you're watching the video, you don't sign up until July, then you'll get May and July. Okay, and then just a picture of what the QR code looks like and the URL. Thank you for joining me. Stay safe. Keep creating in the sunshine, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.